So today the court did what it often does, ask tough questions of both sides in a vigorous 90-minute argument. I told you yesterday that I thought it'd be a good day for the government, and I would say it's an extraordinary day for the government, with a magnificent performance by the Solicitor General, and I think questions that heavily indicated that the court is likely to rule in favor of the government. It's often hard to tell at oral argument. They're asking tough questions of both sides, but I'd have to say this was a pretty extraordinary day for the government.
The state of Oklahoma, like 36 other states across the country, had a very clear choice to make and made a decision here not to set up a state health care exchange. And this issue is not just about subsidies. As Michael has already indicated, when you invite the subsidies in your state, you're also inviting the employer mandate penalty in your state and the individual mandate for when its enforcement. This is a comprehensive challenge based upon a single section of law. It goes to the very structures of the federal government's ability to enforce the law. And when states made the decision over the last couple of years, whether to set up an exchange or not, they made the decision understanding the policy consequences of subsidies, employer mandate penalties, and the enforcement of the individual mandate. Here you have 37 states who have said no, and that should be respected. It is not a power of the IRS to disregard the plain reading of a statute, to offer a rule that they knew was inconsistent with the text of the statute. That's what the case was about today. This is an adherence to the rule of law.